Hi, hello. Today we are going to be going through my Beautylish lucky bag. I just got the $75 lucky bag, and this is what it looks like. This is the little print that it comes with every year. Oh, let me put this down here for a minute. I've already gone through my bag, and let's see here. I just wanted to share it with you guys. This says, for 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. So this is the little print that they put in it. I'm unsure of who the artist is. I'm sure you've seen lots of these, and maybe somebody said who the artist is this year. But this is very beautiful. It has that little lucky cat in it. And my box value came out to $192. So I just want to show you the things that I got in here. The first thing I got was this Good Molecules Energizing Eye Kit. It includes the yerba mate wake up eye gel and the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I love this eye gel. I'm sure I will love these eye patches as well. So that is one thing that I got in here. So I'm very happy about that. I got this Augustinus Bader, the hydrogel face mask. So I am very happy to be trying out that. Another thing I got was this Auric Plush Ritual Recovery Ceramide Lip Treatment. I'm going to be keeping this by my bedside table. So this, it's a little hard to open, but you just take it out and put it on your lips like that. Something nice to keep beside your bedside table. It says, generously swipe onto the lips for an intense dose of hydration and nourishment day or night. So that is from Auric. I got from Danessa Myricks a Color Fix Glazes. This is also a lip product. It is a waterproof longwear gloss multi-use makeup, eyes, face, and lips. This is for the lips. It is in Pink Ice. I think I opened it from the bottom here. Yes, this is what it looks like. It is just a lip gloss for the lips. I'm not going to try that on right now, but look at that bottle. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. So I got that. All of these products were in between $22 to $36. I think this was the most expensive thing I got, was the Viseart Paris, the Paris Mattes Attendu palette. Every time I've got one of these, I've gotten a Viseart palette. These are just all mattes, as you can see right there. Very beautiful palette. Very pretty, very beautiful. And then the last thing I got was a Sonia G brush. These are made in Japan. This is the soft, this is a mini soft blender brush. So I'm going to keep this over here. And that is made from natural hair fibers. So, and it is shedding just a little bit. But I'm going to keep this over here with my brushes. So that is everything that I got. I got the Energizing Eye Kit. I got the mini blender brush. I got the Viseart Mattes palette. I got the Color Fix Glaze. I got the Auric Plush Ritual Recovery. I got the Augustinus Bader face mask, and all of that together was $192 value, because with the $75 box you get like $175 or more value. So that's everything I got in my box. Let me know if you got a lucky bag, what you got in your bag, and if we got any of the same things. I would love to know. So please leave a comment, please leave a like, if you watch this, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.